Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word might remind you of action scenes, horses, and epic battles. Cavalry. So, how do you pronounce it? Here's the correct way. Cav-Uhl-Ree. Let's break it down, step by step. First, cav, rhyming with have. Next, a soft middle syllable, like the yule in cuddle. And finally, ree, just like in the word tree. Now say it with me. Cav-Uhl-Ree. One more time. Cav-Uhl-Ree. Awesome. So, what does cavalry mean? Cavalry refers to soldiers who fight on horseback, or in modern times it can also mean soldiers who move quickly in vehicles. In everyday speech, we sometimes say, the cavalry is coming, meaning help is on the way. Did you know? The word cavalry comes from the Italian word cavalleria, which means horseman or horsemanship. It's closely related to the word cavalier, another word for a mounted knight. But don't mix it up with Calvary. That's a completely different word with a different meaning. Here's a quick spelling tip. Cavalry has the word caval, like in cavalier, followed by re, like in military. And remember, the L comes before the R. Now that you know how to pronounce cavalry, you can use it confidently, whether you're talking history, movies, or even dramatic rescue moments. Thanks for tuning in to Say It Right. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves learning cool words. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. Take care.